Hey guys, one of the best joy of my life is that I get to know different cars every single day, and today I'm happy to have a chance to do the 2014 Audi S5 Coupe Quattro manual. The 2014 Audi S5 Coupe is a world-class performance car with handsome styling, aggressively shaped headlights, and signature platinum gray Audi single-frame grille serve as a reminder of potential, and finely crafted details including a 3-spoke multi-function flat-bottom sport steering wheel, aluminum optic accents, and power sport seats put you in the perfect mindset for a drive. Newly standard on all 2014 Audi S5 models are keyless entry ignition and the Audi Drive Select system, which provide adjustable setting for the steering and transmission. Also, an optional black optic appearance package that you can get for the S5. The S5 pairs Audi Quattro all-wheel drive with torque vectoring for confidence-inspiring handling around most weather and curve. Under normal condition, the S5 has a 40-60 front-to-rear power split. When the road conditions become more challenging, Quattro distribute power to the wheel that need it the most. Take a turn with the S5 and the road bends for you. Also available as an option is the optional driver assist package, which only offer with the pre-stick package equipment and include adaptive cruise control and adaptive steering. Audi Adaptive Cruise Control offer the ability to automatically maintain a preset distance from the vehicle in front. This available adaptive cruise control system can help ease your daily drive. Up front, you see the standard Xenon Plus headlights with LED daytime running lights help ensure you be visible day or night. Strikingly designed LED daytime running lights turn heads and help cut through gloom from dawn to dusk. High intensity retractable headlight washer and the halogen freeform fog light located at the bottom. There is the signature platinum gray Audi single frame grille and the S5 logo. Looks really nice. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. The front LED technology helps create lighting that's powerful and iconic, not only in the dark of night, but also in broad daylight. The stylish design is aesthetically pleasing, and it also increases visibility to others, whether you're going or coming. This particular model comes with 19-inch 5-segment spoke wheels with 255/35 summer performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of 13.6mm internally ventilated front brake discs with 6-piston brake caliper with S5 lettering on the caliper. Stopping distance from 60 to 0 miles per hour in just 110 feet. Supercharged badge on the fender. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. And here's the look to the panoramic sunroof. The rear also comes with 19-inch wheel and 13mm internally ventilated brake discs. The S5 also features anti-lock brake system with electronic brake pressure distribution and brake assist, as well as electronic stability control with traction control. And here's a look to the LED tail lamps, LED brake lamps, and LED turn signal lamp. LED tail lamps grab much needed attention, helping alert approaching driver quickly by illuminating faster than traditional brake lights. At the bottom, you see the rear diffuser with quad round chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. And here's the look to the rear view camera. It will activate once the vehicle is in reverse and help with a much easier backup. Alright, here on the remote control I have the lock, trunk open, unlock, and panic buttons. And the S5 logo in the back. Looks and feels really nice. Alright, the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Glacier White Metallic, featuring black lunar silver interior, as well as silver aluminum trims and carbon fiber trims all around. Looks really nice. Alright, let's jump in the car, start it up, and see how it sounds. Right with your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what the S5 have to offer. Under the hood is a supercharged 3-liter V6 TFSI engine, 24-valve DOHC with variable valve timing, 6-speed manual transmission with Audi Quattro all-wheel drive, pushing out 333 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 city, 26 highway, and 20 combined. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the interior. Here's the driver's side door panel. It is all black with lunar silver and carbon fiber trims. Looks really nice. Alright, 2-position memory seating for both driver and passenger. And both windows are fully automatic, and that's your trunk release button. And here's the door panel storage compartment. S5 aluminum door sill. And there's the sport pedals. Alright, here's a closer look at the seat. It is black and silver in the middle with white contrast stitching. Looks really nice. With S5 logo embossed on the headrest. Both front seats feature 12-way power adjustable front seats, including 4-way power lumbar supports. Includes 2 memory settings for both seats, as well as outside mirrors. Very nice. Alright, now let's take a look at the steering wheel. The 3-spoke flat bottom design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with white contrast stitching all around and the S5 logo at the bottom. Looks and feels really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel while driving. Here's the look to the gauge. Really nice. And down here you have your cruise control. Here's your light control, fog light, driver side air vent. Alright, and here's a closer look at the dash. Now inside the S5, standard features include Bluetooth phone connectivity, a dash-mounted 6.5-inch display, multimedia interface electronic control, the audio drive select system, providing driver control over steering and transmission calibration, and a 10-speaker sound system with CD, satellite radio, and iPod integrations. Here is the manual gearbox. It is all wrapped in black leather with white contrast stitching, featuring a 6-speed manual transmission. For those of you who chose the stick shift, you will be rewarded with precise, positive action through the roads. It's going to give you a great performance ride. Alright, here's the Audi MMI Navigation Plus controller. It offers sophisticated guidance to help you focus on the road ahead. It is very easy to use. You can scroll the knob around to move around screen. Press down to select. Move it up, down, right, or left. And that's your volume controlled. Here we have 2 cup holder and center storage compartment with 12-volt power outlet. Glove box compartment. Alright, here's another look at the seat. Very nice. Up here you have the universal garage door opener, light controlled, and the one-touch tilt panoramic sunroof. Very nice. There's your sunglasses holder. Here's the sun visor. Alright, now let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat does offer 60-40 split. You can fold it down to get extra cargo space. Alright, let's get in the back seat and see how it feels in the back. Here's the look to the front cabin. Very sporty. The seats feel really comfortable, but as for leg rooms, there is no leg rooms in the back and could be really uncomfortable sitting in the back. Panoramic roof does offer a really good field. Alright, this is how much legroom I have with the seat all the way up. So when you push the seat all the way down, you're not going to get a lot of legrooms. You have a little storage compartment there and the rear armrest. Storage compartment and 2 cup holder for the back. Right, the rear passengers can also control the seat. They can move it up, slide it upward, or slide downward for easier access to get in and out. Here's the look to the back. And there's the light for the back. Alright, there's also 2 air vents for the rear passenger, as well as 12-volt power outlet. Rear seat pocket. Alright, to get out, just pull the lever and push the seat up to get out. Alright, let's take a look at the trunk. The trunk offers 12.2 cubic feet of cargo space. Alright, and you can also fold down the rear seat to get an additional cargo space by pulling the lever one on each side. Down here you have your spare tires and all your tools. Overall, the S5 interior offers a sporty look and comes with high quality materials. The front sport seats are very comfortable and could be great if you're going on a long road trip. And they also provide plenty of lateral support to help you plant it in corners. However, the lack of the headrooms and the legroom in the rear seats make them suitable only for smaller passenger or maybe small cargo. Alright, here you go. This is how I look in the front seat. As you can see, I still have a lot of leg rooms in the front. And like I mentioned earlier, the front is really comfortable. And here's the pretty carbon fiber accent. Looks really nice. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2014 Audi S5. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the section below, letting me know how you guys like the Audi S5. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. I'll see you guys next time.